Spend less than 1/3 of the original battery's cost. Restore 100% battery efficiency, no pop-up warnings. That's right, this ultimate budget solution is called battery cell transplant. Today, we're performing this service on a fan's iPhone 13 Pro. The battery health has dropped to only 81%. It's already heavily degraded. A battery replacement is strongly recommended, or the phone's battery life will be seriously impacted. The phone's appearance is well protected, and it passed the airtightness test easily. Now, let's disassemble the phone and perform the battery cell transplant, bringing the 81% battery health back to a full 100%. Drop a follow. You might want your phone fixed after watching this. Using an official screen separator, we gently lift and open the screen. At this point, the waterproof adhesive on the screen frame has softened due to heat. This is the best moment to open the screen. The risk of damage is at its lowest. Once opened, the interior is very clean, no signs of tampering. This iPhone 13 Pro has never been disassembled or repaired before. First, we cover the Face ID components with protective tape, then continue the disassembly. We remove the screen. As a reminder, once an iPhone has been opened and repaired by a third party, it can no longer receive official Apple repair services, so it's highly advised not to go to unqualified repair shops. Always go to certified repair centers with warranty support. This is the speaker, and this is the vibration motor. After removing both, the battery's base is fully exposed, making it easier to remove the adhesive. Why remove the adhesive strips? Once removed, the battery can be lifted out easily, without force or prying. Since we'll reuse parts of it, it must not be damaged. Next, we clean the remaining adhesive off the backplate. We reinstall the vibration motor and speaker. Now let's begin the iPhone 13 Pro battery cell transplant. There are 4 main steps in the process. Step 1. Remove the original battery's encrypted flex cable, also called the battery board or protection cable. We only need this cable from the original battery. The old battery cell is too degraded to reuse. We'll replace it with a high-capacity cell. Why high capacity? Take a look. The new battery cell has a capacity of 3,570 mAh, while the original cell was only 3,095 mAh. Clearly, a big upgrade. Step 2. Solder the new battery cell. We attach the encrypted flex cable to the new high-capacity cell. The cable was prepped ahead of time. All connectors were sanded smooth to avoid sparks during welding. Using a spot welder, we securely weld the flex cable to the battery cell. Now we have a new hybrid battery. The original encrypted cable provides authentic battery info, and the new cell gives us a bigger power reserve. A win-win. The welding is very solid. Step 3. Clean up the battery's appearance. We reapply insulation tape and smooth out all edges, restoring the battery's original look. The battery transplant is now complete. Nice, right? But don't rush to install it. We still have the final step. Step 4. Reset the battery health to 100%. First, connect a temporary teardown battery. Power on the phone, of course. It shows a not verified battery warning, but that's exactly what we need. The teardown battery allows us to run a self-diagnostic. Go to Parts and Service. Tap Restart and complete repair. This rewrites the battery health data, removing the original 81% reading. After the test, the battery status will show used. That's what we want. Turn off the phone, remove the teardown battery. Now, don't install the transplanted battery just yet. Connect it using a special data editing cable, linking the battery to the motherboard. Turn the phone on. Now it shows 100% battery health, but still says not verified. Here's the fix. Run the self-diagnostic again. Even though we used a non-original battery cell, the cable is from the original Apple battery, so the encrypted info is still intact. No worries during the test. After the diagnostic completes, battery health remains at 100% and the warning message disappears, even under About This iPhone. There's no message saying the battery was replaced, so the 4th step is completed perfectly. Cool, right? Let's take a quick break and clean the waterproof adhesive. Some people quietly watch the video, but secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite, and follow. Those people are so cute. After cleaning, the frame is spotless, no residue left. Next, we install the battery, apply a new adhesive strip, place the battery in the correct position inside the housing, use a roller tool to press it down smoothly, so it bonds tightly to the housing. Some people quietly watch the video, but secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite, and follow. Those people are so cute. Perfect. Since we removed the old waterproof adhesive, we'll apply a brand new one, an original waterproof seal made for the Pro model. Use a pressure tool to apply it evenly, ensuring the phone remains water resistant. Some people quietly watch the video, but secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite, and follow. Those people are so cute. Finally, reinstall the screen. We already cleaned the waterproof adhesive beforehand. Watch me snap it back quickly. Some people quietly watch the video, but secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite, and follow. Those people are so cute. One snap, one press, one squeeze. Then screw in 2 bottom screws. Reassembly complete. We replaced the waterproof adhesive, and the phone passed the airtight test. The waterproof protection remains at factory level. Turn the phone back on to confirm 100% battery health, no warning pop-ups or messages. The battery transplant on this iPhone 13 Pro is officially a success, high efficiency and high standard. Lastly, don't forget to do a deep clean of the phone, remove dust and grime from every corner, restoring a fresh, clean look to this iPhone 13 Pro. We solved the battery life issue easily with a battery cell transplant.